What's up everyone, this is Let's Talk About It with Aaron E, and that's me. And in today's video, this is going to be a quick review of the Hilton Aventura Hotel. This is right next to the Aventura Mall, which is North Miami. This is an amazing hotel. I think it's for the luxury quality, probably one of the nicest luxury quality hotels for the price. So this was under $300 for this stay. Parking, I will say, is $35. If you're a Hilton member, sometimes you can get certain discounts on that. Because of my birthday, I was able to get a hookup. So you may never know if it's your birthday and you're staying here, they might give you a hookup on the parking. So it just doesn't hurt to ask. So if you haven't hit the like and subscribe button already, go ahead and do so down below. Helps me out in a big way. Like I said, if I didn't say. And this is going to be a quick room and hotel tour. Unfortunately, there is a wedding going on, so I'm going to be limited in what I can show you this evening. But I'm still going to do, if I can, a lobby tour and a room tour. The room is not a very big room at all, but to me, it's very spacious for 1 to 2 people. You actually can have a pull-out sofa, and I'll go over all of that with the room tour. And I'll see if I can get you a pool and possibly a lobby tour. So guys, like I said, if you haven't done so already, hit the like and subscribe button down below, like I said, and let's get right into this room and hotel tour. So this is the exterior of the hotel. This is like the entranceway. So I'm just gonna come in and show you the entrance. They also have shuttles. They get you to and from various places here in Miami, which is nice. So, and then we're gonna go in here. And this is basically the entrance as you walk in. So it's very, very nice. As they say, the lobby is on the 7th floor. And what I am gonna show you, which is nice. Also, this artwork is really, really cool. I wanted to show that. And then I'm going to show you parking, because I do want to show that because I think it's quite nice. I know it's crazy, but I actually want to show you parking, because with the parking, it's actually extremely convenient here. So, you just come right out. Here's all the parking. There's at least 3 or 4 levels of this. And then what I really like is it's marked either for Hilton guests or for regular guests, because this is another complex. But you also have low admission parking, so I think that's really cool. I'm actually going to park my vehicle there. Yeah, this is the garage. So I just felt that I wanted to be able to showcase this, just because I think it's quite helpful for the plaza. And whenever you walk, these lights automatically come on to your space, which is really nice. And then once again, here is Aventura and the highway, and then the mall. So I just wanted to be able to showcase that. Just wanted to showcase the artwork in the elevator. Kind of neat. And then as you get out, this is the view you see on the other side. So there's that office building where it came in. And then this is the hallway, which is really nice. And then this gets you to the rooms. And then we're gonna go to my room. Here. All right, so this is the first. This is the room key. This little circular dish, which is insane. Kind of cool. You know, everything these days is with, you know, the IR, RF frequency. So get into the room. I'm in room 1109. It is an upgraded room. It's got a little bit more room than the regular. But this is such a beautiful room. Sorry about that. All right, so as you walk in, you've got mirror, storage space. You've got a closet to be able to put the luggage and everything in here, which is nice. Here, you've got shelving space, everything for bags and stuff like that. And then you do have a safe down here, which is awesome, and a refrigerator. So that's always good. And then you do have more space over there, but I'll get to that in a second. So you do have this open and closing sliding door. Privacy, so you can minimize any noise in the bathroom, so that's cool. And then this is a beautiful shower. Now, of course, my favorite Molten Brown wash and body wash and hair wash. I actually own that scent myself. That is my absolute favorite. I am going to show you. I've been buying this for years and years and years. This is the shampoo, and then this is the Coastal Cypress with sea fennel. It is probably, once again, the probably nicest smelling shampoo and body wash you can get. Hot and cold, of course, and then your railing, and then the shower head. So I love this design. Sink, very simple. Nothing too big about that, but still very nice. I love this, once again, this color of the marble. And then you've got the bathroom, the toilet. Once again, pretty simplistic, but very nice, very modern, very up to date. So pretty neat. So I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna close this. It actually goes through in and out, which is actually nice. So you don't have to worry about hitting anything, which is pretty cool there. So once again, the door, storage room, luggage rack area, and so forth, and your luggage. So the bar area, which is nice. And then this is the room. So here is your bed, which is very, very comfortable. You have the sitting area, but you have a nice large TV. And of course, since I'm a Hilton owner, I always going to say welcome, Aaron, of course, like always. Your little sitting area, a great view of the mall. And then this is your kind of guest sitting area. And then that does fold out to be a second bed, like I said, which is really, really nice if you wanted to have another guest. So that's cool. And then, of course, the view, an interesting view, but this is the Aventura Mall. This is one of the largest malls in South Florida, and it is just massive. So really, really cool. You've got all these neat buildings here, all these condos and apartments and stuff like that. And that is the room tour. So now I am going to go and see if we can get into the lobby. Yeah, this is a small room, not a big room, but still, I think it's spacious enough, and it's very cozy, very comfortable. This is the lobby. This is the snack area. This is the check-in. This is unbelievably amazing. This is the waiting area, which is just beautiful. Library area, which is so nice. And this is another sitting area with a bar. One of the restaurants slash bar areas, which is beautiful. I love that. That is so cool. So it's just this sitting area where it's so nice. They got the tree, of course, during the holidays. Sitting area. And then I know over here is the restaurant. So this is where breakfast, lunch, and dinner is, and it's very, very nice. It is extremely nice. I love how the glass is like that. The tables are very, very quaint. I like the pillows, the artwork with the pillows. That is really cool. This brings us back out once again to the sitting area. And this is the lobby. So now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna go to the pool. I love how this hotel is only maybe a year old or so. So it's not that old. I think it's either a year or 2 years old, but it's not bad. And then this is the pool, which is beautiful. So I want to get to the pool. Hold on. I'm having a hard time opening the door. Let's try again. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so this is the pool. Which is amazing. Some rooms have balconies, some don't. But I believe the balconies are on the other side of the hotel. Below us is parking. So this is, once again, unbelievably beautiful. And then you have this really, really quaint sitting area with like your private cabanas. These little lounge chairs, which is awesome. And this artificial turf that you're walking on. And yeah, so this is just a really, really nice, quaint pool. I love how they have this layout. It's very, getaway. Even though you're kind of, near a busy city, busy mall, this is kind of, secluded. So it makes it just a really, really nice area. So, and that is the pool. So here is a veranda sitting area. I think this is cute, quaint. And then this brings you into the fitness center. So this is the fitness center. Not bad, it's got everything you need. And then you got another room in here where they got the yoga and the spin classes and stuff like that. So that brings us through here, and then this brings us back out to the lobby, or heading towards the lobby area. And these are more rooms. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video today. This was just a quick video of the Hilton in Aventura, right next to the Aventura Mall. This is a beautiful hotel for the cost. I do think it has a lot of value to offer for what you're getting and staying here. And once again, hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already to see my channel, and look forward to a lot more content in the future. I am going to probably talk about watches, luxury watches, and things like that, and ownership of watches, pros and cons of watches, and still some other hotels in the future. So guys, please be safe out there, enjoy your day, and look forward to seeing you guys tuning in to another awesome video.